Good day, everyone. My name is Teria Danko Samuel. You are welcome back to TDS Online Mathematics. So let's continue with the change of subject. So I'll put the link of the first two lessons on change of subjects. Alright, so that you can check them out. Alright, so let's look at our first example. So we have t equals to 2 pi root L on G. So we have to make L the subject. So take your time here. So we need to get rid of this root sign. So we have no option but to square both sides. So I will square both sides. Square both sides. So on my left hand side will be t squared. So let's look at what is inside the bracket here. So to affect this and that. So this one will be 2 squared, then pi squared. And 2 squared is 4 pi squared. And this square will move the square root here. So we have 11 times L over G. Alright, so we have t squared equals 4 pi squared L on G. Alright, so we have to make L the subject. Now let's make this over 1 and do cross multiplication. So it's over 1. So G times t squared is t squared G. The 1 times that is 4 pi squared L. Alright, so let's divide both sides by 4 pi squared. 4 pi squared. Now this one will cancel. So my L here will be t squared G over 4 pi squared. Alright, so t squared G over 4 pi squared is the answer. So that is L. Alright. Example 2. You can pause the video and give it a try. You have t equals to square root of a minus c over a plus c. So we have to make c the subject. So same thing, let's remove the root sign by squaring both sides. So we have t squared equals to, now this one will cancel, a minus c over a plus c. So let's make this over 1. Okay, so we have t squared times a plus c equals, now 1 times a minus c is a minus c. So let's expand the left hand side. A t squared plus c t squared equals to a minus c. So let's focus on where c is. So we have 1 here, 1 there. So let's group them on one side. So we have c t squared plus c. So I've done this to this equals to a minus a t squared. Alright. So let me take c out on my left. So I have c equals t squared plus 1 equals a minus a t squared. So let's divide both sides by the coefficient of c. So c will be a minus a t squared on t squared plus 1. Okay, so c is the subject of the expression. Alright. Now let's look at this example. That will be the last one. So we can also try this as well. So we have t minus b equals to square root of b on r plus b squared. Okay, so let's square both sides. So I will square both sides. Okay, so on my left hand side will be, so t squared minus 2 tb plus b squared equals to, now this one will cancel, so I will leave it b on r plus b squared. Now you can double this one like this and expand it, you get the same thing. So this one is the same as that. So when you go to the expansion, you get something like this. All right. Okay, so let's look at the left hand side and the right hand side. So we have plus b squared plus b squared. So they have similar signs here, so they'll go away, because when this one comes to this side to be minus b squared, so it will go. So I'll be left with t squared minus 2tb equals to b on r. So let me make this over 1. So let me do cross multiplication. So I have r taking everything here, 2tb equals to b, and we have to make r the subject. So don't worry ourselves expanding this again. We just divide both sides by the coefficient of r. So we have t squared minus 2tb. So this one will cancel this. So my r is simply b over t squared minus 2tb. All right. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. All right.